Hi, I'm Johnny from UltimatePaperMache.com, and ever since the toilet paper shortage thing started up, I've been getting a whole lot of questions from people who want to know if you can make paper mache clay with recycled paper. Now the short answer to that question is yes, but I want to give you some tips just to make it a little bit easier, and I also want to show you an example of what it looks like when you make your paper mache clay with a paper that isn't quite so valuable as toilet paper. Now, I've always used toilet paper before because it's manufactured specially to fall apart as soon as it hits water. So it's almost immediately turned into paper pulp, and it's really easy. But we don't have any, so what do you do instead? You just use plain old newspaper. I've even used brown paper. All you need to do is just soak it longer. Newspaper, brown paper, any kind of paper, copy paper, whatever you've got in the house will work, but just let it soak longer. It doesn't immediately fall apart when it hits water, but it will eventually fall apart. Now, what will help speed it up a little bit is to use warm water to start with, and then if you have time and if you want to get a really smooth mixture for your paper mache clay or air dry clay, then you can put it through a blender before mixing it up with everything else in the recipe. But make sure that you've got a whole lot of water, probably more water than paper if you put it in the blender, because otherwise you could end up burning up your motor. Now, I know if I was being really professional about this, I would go ahead and show you the process of making paper mache clay with recycled paper. But I've got a problem right now in that I'm running out of drywall joint compound, and I'm saving it because I know that a project is going to come up. I haven't thought of one yet, but I know I'm going to have a need for what little amount of drywall joint compound I've got left. And I don't want to use it up just so that you can see regular paper instead of toilet paper going into the mix, because it's done exactly the same way. So go ahead, feel free, use the recipe for either the paper mache clay or the air dry clay. Use them exactly the same way that they're written. Just use the recycled paper instead. Now, if you would like to see what it actually looks like when it's done, I've got a video. It's called Faux Stone something or other. I'll put a link to it down below. I made a sculpture for the wall, and I used the air dry clay recipe, same exact ingredients as the paper mache clay recipe, except with the addition of cornstarch. And I used that recipe without any toilet paper. I used brown paper instead. Now also, you don't have to take my word for it, because for years a lot of people have chosen to use recycled paper instead of toilet paper, and they've shown us their work out on my blog. They've left comments on my blog to let me know that that works. They might have done it either because they want to recycle the paper, or they just like the color that comes out when they're using different kinds of paper in the mix. Use recycled paper. It works just fine. So go check out the recipes. They're either on my YouTube channel, I'll put links to them down below, or come over to my website and just check the recipes tab at the top. Then go make something and come visit me. UltimatePaperMache.com. I'll see you there.